dear students. Today we can learn to locate root 2 on a number line. All of you know to draw a number line. First we can draw a number line like this and put arrows on both sides. These two arrows indicates what? We can extend the line on both sides. Now we can mark the points here. Using scale only you draw this and take 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. Then we can mark here 0, here 1. When we are going right side of 0, numbers are positive. Here 2, here 3. Here -1, -2, -3. Now we can locate root 2 on a number line. All of you listen. When I am taking 1 centimeter, it is difficult to understand for you. So I will take 2 centimeter as 1 centimeter. Then here I am taking 1, here 2, here -1, here -2. You also can take like this, 2 centimeters 1 unit. You can take like that also. Otherwise you take only 1 centimeter here. Then we can take 0 to 1 and mark here as A. From A we have to take 90 degree. All of you know, take 90 degree. From 1 we can draw an arc like this, and this arc intersect the line in this point. From here, using the same measurement, draw an arc. This arc represents 60 degree. From 60 degree we can draw again one more arc. 60 plus 60, 120. 90 is the angle bisector of 60 and 120. 60 plus 120 by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree is the angle bisector of 60 and 120. So we can draw 90 degree like this. How we can draw angle bisector of 60 and 120? Take more than half of this arc length. From 90 we can draw one arc using the same measurement. From 120 also draw an arc. Then we will get 90 degree. Now we can join with 1. Now we will get 90 degree here. Then mark here 90 degree. Then from this point A, take 1 centimeter on the top of this. Here I take 2 centimeters as 1 unit. So here also I have to take 2 centimeter like this. If you are taking 1 centimeter only, here also you take 1 centimeter only. Clear? Now we can join these 2 points. And we can give here name as B. Now all of you listen. Triangle AOB is a right angled triangle. This much is 1 centimeter. This much also 1 centimeter. This is a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we can apply only on right triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, what is OB square? OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. That is equal to what? How much is OA? 1 square. 1 square is 1 plus how much is AB? 1. 1 square is 1. That is equal to 2. Therefore, OB is equal to root 2. Therefore, this distance OB represents root 2. Now, taking OB as radius and draw a circle like this. Taking OB as radius and draw a circle like this, then that arc intersect the number line at the point E. Now OE represents root 2. OE represents root 2. Is it clear? Once more I will explain. First you draw number line. In number line you put 2 arrows on both sides. Then mark the points 0, 1, 2, 3 using scale and pencil. Then take 1 centimeter on the number line. Then name that point as A, and from A draw 90 degree. 90 degree how we can draw? From from 1 we have to draw an arc. Then that arc intersect the line at this point. From this point using the same measurement draw an arc, that is 60 degree. Then from 60 draw one more arc, that is 120 degree. Then draw 90 degree. 90 degree is the angle bisector of 60 and 120, that is 90 degree. Then join with A. Now you from A take 1 centimeter and draw an arc, mark the point as B. Then join OB. Now this triangle AOB is a right triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square, that is OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, that is equal to 2. Therefore OB is equal to root 2. Now you take OB on compass and using OB as radius draw an arc like this. That arc intersect the number line at the point E. Then OE represents root 2. Is it clear? Now you just write the steps also. All of you draw this in your notebook very neatly using pencil and scale, and draw this with compass and draw neatly and write this much. Then you write the steps also. Step 1. Number 1, draw number line. Then step 2, take OA 1 centimeter and from A draw 90 degree. Then step 3, from A take 1 centimeter and name it as B. Step 4, join OB. Step 5, measure OB and taking OB as radius, draw an arc on the number line and mark that point as E. Then step 6, OE represents root 2 on the number line. Is it clear? Now number 2, locate root 3 on the number line. For that, first all of you draw root 2 on number line. Okay, locate root 3 on the number line, that is second question. For that also you have to draw root 2 on number line first. Then all of you listen. Take the protractor and keep the protractor like this on OB. this represents root 2. Okay. Now you keep the protractor like this. Center is here. Then from OB, take 90 degree. 90 degrees here. Then join like this. And take 1 centimeter on this line. From B, measure 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Then join and name this point as C. Then join O and C. Is it clear? Then all of you listen. This triangle BOC, again a right triangle, because here we take 90 degree. Then triangle BOC is also a right triangle. So here also we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. From triangle BOC, by Pythagoras theorem, which one is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degree. Here hypotenuse is OC. By Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. That is equal to, what is OB square? OB is root 2. Root 2 square is 2. Plus what is BC? 1. That is equal to 3. Therefore, OC is equal to root 3. Now you just measure that. OC is equal to root 3. Take that OC on this compass and mark like this here. And mark that point as F. Then we can write OF is equal to root 3 on number line. OF is equal to root 3 on number line. All of you draw root 2 and representation of root 3 very nicely and perfectly in your notebook. We are going to wind up the class. Thank you all of you.